All right. Good morning, everyone. So today there is a lot of red on my large cap scanner. Now, I should say, my scanner, and I've forgotten the exact settings. It's been, I don't know, a couple years since I've programmed this thing. But the large cap scanner excludes anything that's made less than a 2% move. It has to trade at least 500,000 shares a day. There are a few others. I've forgotten all of the criteria for the large cap scanner. So there might be other things out there today that are moving up that will be worth paying attention to. It's just not on my scanner. So the only thing that I have on my large cap scanner that fits the criteria that's green today is run. I'll go over that one in a second. Tesla is the one I'm going to go over first. And so on Tesla, I have a level of 656.43 as support. And if it comes down like it did yesterday after the open, it came down, corrected a little bit, and then sort of stabilized here. That's the move that I'm looking for this morning, and support will be at 656.43 for me. That will be a spot where I will look to start averaging into a position. Next up, run. Now, run is the only one that's green on my scanner today, and I have a level of 60.77 on run. RUN, and what I'd like to see it do, this is one of the things that really bugs me about TradingView is I changed the settings, and then TradingView is like, no, you can't have those settings. So what I'm looking for run to do is to come up, break this 60.77 level, come back, test it, and move away. And I will be looking for an entry as it moves back above this sort of high spot right here on its break above. All right. And so then that's all I have for large cap ideas. There's something going on here with Energizer. Took a really nice bounce off of a Fibonacci that I had. I didn't have it on watch yesterday. I wasn't paying attention. Made a really nice little bottom move here off the Fibonacci. But today, right now, I don't see a trade on it. I might put some levels on it later. Actually, let me go ahead and do that now. I'll put a level on it here. Let's see if we can get a trade on Energizer today. Let's see. This is the green. Green is the 50 fib, 46.47. Okay, so let's take that Fibonacci off and put an alarm. 46.47. All right. So if Energizer pulls back to 46.47 today, I'll make an entry on Energizer. And so that's it for these. I take a quick look at these every morning, and I'm just not really seeing anything anywhere that's really very attractive for an entry, except for Energizer, Tesla, and I'm actually, they're not even all that, these three actually still aren't even all that attractive. So I won't be taking a lot of risk today. Small cap momentum. This BNTC, it announced, let's see, what is it? Some kind of Biopharm announces successful results from the interim analysis of a BB301 pilot dosing study. It's some kind of an antibiotic, I think. Phase 1, initiation, first human clinical study, patients in 20 and a year from now. I'm really not very excited. In fact, actually, I doubt that I will trade this even if it does start to obey momentum rules. In the pre-market, it's beautiful. Look at this. Bull flag, it kind of extends here, then a breakout. Then this bull flag right here, gorgeous. Now that's textbook. Then it breaks out. Pre-market, it's really traded, according to momentum and breakouts just perfectly. What that means, what that translates into for regular hours trading, I don't know. Let's see. BNTC has already traded 14.8 million shares this morning, and it has a 4.26 million share float. So it's rolled over its float 3 times already in the pre-market. It's going to be crowded. I foresee, just possibly a run up in the first few minutes. Let me get rid of that. I'll draw on it here and see how close it comes to what I predict. Okay, so run up and then a little bit of sideways. A little bit sideways. So I'm going to leave that up, and I'll come back. That's till noon. I'll come back and see how accurate or inaccurate that prediction, that drawing is. So it's the leading small cap gapper right now, but I don't know. I mean, this thing's got to really start ripping, with lots of volume and very little pullback, and then halts, trading halts, and so forth to really do anything. I just don't see it happening. All right, HOTH announces positive preclinical results for novel COVID-19 therapeutic. This is my prediction for this one. A little up and then we'll leave that one on I'll leave that mark on the chart for that one too. So I mean, I have it on watch. I could be wrong. This thing could go to $100. I doubt it. Okay, so wait, here we go. Let's put BNTC back. HOTH. Wait, where did my? Oh, that's too bad. I put it on this one. Let me get rid of that one, and I'll redraw it on the other. I'll redraw it on the correct window here. Let's see. It'll go up to here, and then for the rest of the day, it'll just. Let's see how accurate that is at the end of the day. Okay, SNMP. There's news on this. Where was it? Oh no, actually, I couldn't find news on SNMP. I couldn't find it on TradingView, and I can't find it in Street Smart Edge. I don't know what's going on. This is just some kind of a technical bounce, I guess. Somebody decided they were going to come in and buy a whole bunch of shares pre-market, and then the algorithms jumped on top of it too. I don't know what the deal is. Is this one that I had? No. There's one that I had a Fibonacci level on from where I traded it before. It's this one right here. And then PSTV. Now, I've traded PSTV a few times before, and I've made a little bit of money on it. Let's check the news. Forgotten already. Plus Therapeutics Incorporated entered into a master services agreement with Pyramel Pharma Solutions for the development, manufacture, and supply of Plus Rhenium Nano Liposome intermediate drug product. Anticipates MSA will lead to clinical and commercial supply agreements for drug product at appropriate stage of development. Meh. You know, let's see if I had a, no, I never put a Fibonacci on it. Let's go back here and look. This thing did have a pretty good run, you know, on a few occasions here. Yeah, this thing's really popped up a few times, and I have traded it a few times. I've done okay on it. I don't think there's really going to be much to this today. There might be a little bit. I mean, it might catch a bid for a little bit, but we're talking, you know, this thing's, let's see if it's profitable. Oh, it's nowhere near profitable. Yeah, I don't know what this thing is going to do today, but I seriously doubt it goes anywhere, and seriously doubt it's worth any trade, any strategy. All right, everybody. So that is the morning strategy session. Good luck out there today. Keep your risk tight, and I will see you at the recap. Click like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Out.